Y'all gon' need this one loud in your headphones. I know, cause I do too. You know what I'm saying? They call it mass appeal, but it don't feel right. My personality changing, this how I feel like. Now do I suffer from scheming? It might be. I accept all my demons to sing in the right key, but I gotta be free, I mean it generally. When I speak deep down to teach, gotta proceed to sing. I found it, know what I'm talking. It's a workhorse game and I'm working without a jockey. I don't need it, backspace, delete it. As of recent, my music is hitting spines and nervous systems repeat it. I don't need it, backspace, delete it. As of recent, my music is like a treatment, explicitly orthopedics. It's a damn fucked up world that I was given, but my position is playing players like Pippin. Never better for my legends, I looking just like a reverence. Realer than he who speaks it and preaches about the heavens. Is decently apathetic, teaching me how pathetic. If music is like a message, then recently I don't get it. Fuck, and though I've tried and tried, it's just the notion that my hoping is killing my inside. Yeah, they try to tell me my feelings for the appeal, but they don't know how I feel, cause I'm trying to make another classic. They try to tell me my feelings for the appeal, but they don't know how I feel, cause I'm trying to make another classic. Yeah, I'm trying. Only proper is trill, it's how I feel, yeah. Hey. So I am never aroused by any rappers that bow to me. It's a bit ironic, they playing me like a child. Forget it, I won't sweat it, working it like I'm dead it. From maxing the brothers out with raps faster than credit. I've half-assed to forget it. Stats pack, theoretics, I blast past geometrics and map hack. The kinetics is master us. Ain't no way no verses coming fast as us. Pussies grab they purses, now them hoses running laps with us. Capture us, never will. Got a whole lot of time, but I never chill. Wanna be look right and it don't hook tight. When I smash with a night, better wheel. No time for no lames, no lines for no change. Nope, won't rhyme for no fame. And I put that on my life, boy. What y'all even thinking is the reason why I write, boy. See my future life in writing's wifey spend the night, boy. That's just a couple of facts, and I don't really give a fuck if it appeal to the mass. Yeah, they try to tell me my feelings for the appeal, but they don't know how I feel, cause I'm trying to make another class. They try to tell me my feelings for the appeal, but they don't know how I feel, cause I'm trying to make another classic.